Praise, and today we are going to be doing a mukbang. And right here we have like different African foods. We have this rice is called jollof rice. This is fried rice. We have some fried chicken. No, we have baked chicken, cooked chicken. We also have some crab and some vegetables and watermelon. So this is just gonna be like a fun family mukbang or whatever. We're just gonna eat and have a discussion, whatever you wanna say. But let's go. Okay, let's start eating. Listen.
I'm gonna start over this shit.
Okay.
So you can you pray for us?
Bless this food. Bless my son, bless Pastor.
Amen.
Eat this food, we shall have nutrition and everlasting life.
Amen. Okay.
Thank you. We need a bigger spoon. You feel free and eat.
We're gonna cover the camera because he was about to get up and come here. And then he comes in.
My God.
Here.
Is it okay for now?
And this is my little brother. No, my two little brothers. He's like I'm like older than him by 2 years. Him. He always is older than me. This is like the little boy of the house.
That is the baby of the house.
And this is my lovely mother. She's an amazing woman. I love her.
You have to eat for yourself.
I will.
Yes? You feel free and take it. Get up and
Have
native chicken is also here. I like native. It has tastes.
Paul.
When you want to know about chicken, you go for the native. Efe,
What do you want? This?
I need a salad. Thank you. You know, these children caught me today at home. I don't usually stay at home.
Okay, let me take it. So this crab right here, I don't know how to eat crab. I
I'm
don't
going to
know
show
how to
you.
eat crab. Like,
Who can tell me the name of that crab in Ekpe? If you
Crab.
get it, I'm going to give you $20.
king crab.
No.
I don't know. I don't.
They failed. A color. It's called a color. What did I call it?
A color.
A color.
A color. Sounds like a color. Make color.
This is good. Family bonding.
Okay, so today she's gonna be asking us like things in our language because we're Nigerians. So she's gonna be asking us like, what do you say this in our language, and hopefully we get it. Cause like she's like, you guys need to learn how to speak. You guys need to learn how to speak. I get that you're Americans, but then you need to learn how to speak African language. No, our language, yes.
Oma say ye Igbo nye lola.
Answer.
Igbo nye lola.
You got it?
They call it Igbo nye lola.
Mebu nye. Who made it, right? It's well technically it is.
Don't mind us. Here we are not observing table manners. When we talk, trying to have fun.
No.
I'm having this one.
Oma say Dekumela.
Definitely.
Oh my God, this baby boy.
I don't know.
That
It's Manamanu. That's what it
Manamanu.
is. Manamanu.
Oh. Who can tell me the name of chicken in Ekpe?
Starts with a T, right?
Not Opa.
Okpa is fish. It's I don't know. I forgot. I feel like I feel like it was so simple, but I forgot.
Okay. You guys can ask each other too. Oma say we do the pala.
Every time hustler is back.
Hey. Everybody must hold side.
Right? He's right.
Eh, Bonyalo.
Jackson, you just said the answer.
Oma, Chilo, eh, Bonyalo.
It was never open Mason.
Mabu new Ubumezi.
Open you.
Bide mutato. What does that mean?
I know.
Alright?
It means the food is very sweet.
Girl.
Right, I got it. I know how to understand the language more than all of them. They don't really know how to. Mostly this one is like, I don't know. How am I supposed to know?
Hey. That makes it funny. What is this of that mango do?
Good.
This taste, is it nice?
Yeah.
You want it? That's what I'm
Trying to ask.
Yeah.
It's not good.
They're good.
That's what he
A
said.
little sweet though. A little too sweet.
Let me go for this.
It does taste like mango juice. Like mango juice. Let me get it.
Tasty.
I'm gonna try the crab nuts.
Sure. What did I say the name is?
Put up there.
A color.
A color.
Welcome.
Oh my goodness, I was so hungry.
Yeah, she was like, she called me and was like, I'm hungry. Are you ready to do your video? Because when I get home, I'm about to eat.
Yeah,
and I hadn't even
because
taken a shower yet.
I left in the morning to go and see a client. I was hungry. This is good. So what do you want to know in the Ekpe language? Can you tell me?
He finished his book and he's not even talking to
You
me.
know where? You know Bunyalo Labo?
No, we have
You know where Bunyalo You got it.
What do you want?
Don't mind I'm using my hands. You got to do it though. You know, so good. hell?
So you know, still some.
How are you supposed to remove it? How do you remove a crab?
Let me treat you.
Should I give you one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna give her one so she just like shows us how she. Okay, giving is already doing something.
Yeah.
So do you like just
Break it.
break it up? Is there any flesh in a crab?
There's meat, not flesh.
Yeah, meat, flesh. Is there any?
That's it.
That's
You can
it.
see.
So what do you eat?
You eat the meat.
Those days when we're
So
Good.
that's what you eat. That's it.
want to try it, I'll show you. You want to try?
It tastes weird.
She said it tastes well. Yeah, you eat here. This is the major place to eat.
Oh.
The head.
You see?
See, look at the
See?
meat.
Oh.
See it?
Are you open?
Your
Right.
teeth.
Mama?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's some
You boys
meat
look at it. Put your hand and take it out. If you can't, you give it to me. Let me do it for you.
Ah,
Yeah,
Let me
how
help
do you do it? Oh, from there.
Right here.
Here you go. Can you give me another tissue?
Mm. I can't remember when I ate this last.
Thank you. I don't remember if I've eaten crab before. every time like we go somewhere and then she gets crab and I'm like, I don't trust the crab, I'm not gonna eat it. Till she made it. But it tastes weird.
No?
Is it supposed to taste weird?
It's nice, man. It is nice. Maybe it's,
Maybe this is my first time.
or maybe it's where you ate. Let's try it again.
Oh, wait, let me finish my
Oh,
rice.
and stuff.
I'm just for you.
Manpower.
Oh my god! Well, at least he opened it. Get that manpower.
Remove this. Just. Mm.
Yeah, they look.
Let them come on.
See? I take it out. Take it out. And eat the rest.
Oh,
You too, keep on.
He ate his.
but
Oh,
you know,
show you boy, let me see.
remove right here, the thin, and then that the thin.
so this.
The yellow food.
Mm.
The yellow thin.
Everything.
I take the yellow out.
No, not yellow. You eat the yellow.
Okay, yes he did. No, he didn't really take it.
Yeah, no good. You eat everything, I'm done with mine.
Yourself.
They already eat faster than I do. I'm still.
We were hungry. Hungry.
And there's money inside this.
But man, where you enjoy is that place. Not even the leg and the hand. It's that round place. You will enjoy it.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's all bones.
No?
It's all bones.
Mm.
Oh.
So guys, I don't you guys like comment like how you guys are spending your current time? What are you guys doing? Me, I'm trying to tell my family. My family, we never get bored of each other. We always have different things to say.
Not at all.
Maybe when we're eating, we focus on the food, but then like we still have fun. That's a fun family. I'm gonna take my own crab. And then we're gonna open. I think I brought everything to this side. That's the
Right? You're making too much
I
noise.
know, right? It's like,
He's enjoying it.
Why don't you eat this thing?
Intestines. Bad. Make you sick. Would you
I don't
rather?
think you know.
Would you rather eat an octopus or
Who?
a?
Because I cannot, like,
Would you rather eat an octopus
make
or
your voice
a?
loud.
I know what he's saying. Tortoise?
Yes.
No, I won't eat any of them.
Would you rather eat an octopus or turtles? Turtle or tortoise?
Turtle.
Okay.
I'm not going to eat any of them.
I'm gonna tell you a story, right? So, when we went to Nigeria, I went to go visit my grandmother, and my uncle, he prepared like a tortoise, you know, not the turtle, or the tortoise. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correct. And at first I was like, I'm not gonna eat this, I'm not gonna eat this. So I went into the kitchen, right? And the real life tortoise, it was like crawling to the kitchen. I was shouting, bro, like my heart flew. I was like, come and help me, come and help me. And the thing was so slow. And then after that, I was like, I'm not gonna eat that. That's a real life animal. And then my uncle cut it, and then he cooked it, and then he gave it to us in the food, and I didn't know what it was, and I ate it. And that was it. I ate the tortoise. It went away. When my mom came back, right, I was like, I ate a tortoise. And she was like, what? Who gave you a tortoise? She was so angry. I was like, my uncle. I didn't know what it was. Like, I just ate it. Like, it was so funny, and I was so angry because I was like younger. But like that was it. I was like, I'm not gonna trust you anymore. How am I supposed to eat this?
It's nice. Try it.
I feel gun
It's like the sea.
How come you can eat this but you can't eat fish?
Boy,
Fish is nasty.
come and watch. Should I put more?
Fish tastes
It's
like
okay.
intestines. No, it tastes like dog food. It's expired.
The man of the house. What tastes like dog food?
Fish have
Okay.
fish.
Eh?
Fish.
Great.
Fish.
Yes.
Both.
Fish, take it.
It tastes like dog food.
No, come, keep quiet. What dog food?
He doesn't like fish, so he insults fish. And let me tell you, he said, so my family, we hardly eat like fast food because like it's really, really unhealthy. We prefer like cooked meals. I feel like that's what most African families do. Like we prefer cooked meals. And so we hardly eat fast food. And this boy, he doesn't eat fish, right? So he said he wants to eat sushi. He kept disturbing my mother that he wants to eat sushi. I'm like, sushi is raw fish. If you can't even eat cooked fish, how are you gonna eat raw fish? He said, I want to eat sushi. So we were typing Aldi, and we went to get one of those packaged sushi because like we didn't want to go anywhere. And we gave it to him, right? And then he took one bite. I was like, no, it's nasty. I don't want it. I don't want to eat it. I'm like, you must eat it. You said you wanted sushi, right? Eat it. He's like, it's so nasty. The fish is so nasty.
doesn't like fish.
Like he always tries to eat fish, but then I know he's not gonna eat it, so I'm like, why are you asking for the fish? I'm trying to unplug this crab, and it's really not working well for me.
Unplug?
Yes,
Oh,
unplug.
charger. You guys caught me this time. The next time, you guys are going to eat, swallow. If not, I will not join.
Wow.
No?
It's good.
It's good.
Mister.
It's good. She eating the food.
Damn. How many crab have you eaten? Your plate looks messy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Thank you. Still eating?
What about you? You have another plate.
You guys have to finish this food. Yeah. Okay.
You that?
You must finish it.
You know, when you have so many food around you, you can eat all of it. I have just eaten a little bit of rice and like what's it called, crab. I haven't even finished my chicken. She said, you all have to finish the food. You going tired?
Man.
Mhm. Look at it over there.
Who?
Sauces. She said,
Success is enjoying the food.
The food's really good.
Okay. Bobo,
yeah.
you're not eating? I say you guys must finish it. If not, you won't get up from this chair. Why are you looking at me? For who? You done?
The chicken got a little. It took like too much chicken in my mouth.
She's not eating.
I am.
You are using style. You're not eating.
Eat some fruits.
In this household, on most days, I'm like the person that eats like the smallest among all of them. On most days. Go for one, that's for another.
So this is sweet. I want to lick my finger. Don't laugh at me.
I'm not expecting.
Dang, bruh. Stop
What's up with
moaning
me and
for
Kisha?
your food.
What?
guys can't be eating all this chocolate meat.
Let me tell you guys a story. So my brother over here, because it's quarantine, right? Everybody is like, they're so afraid of gaining so much weight and all that and becoming obese. So he said, I'm gonna start a diet. He didn't finish the diet. He didn't. The diet didn't.
4 days.
No, that's not the vegetarian. The diet didn't even get up to 1 day. The next day, he says, I want to become a vegetarian in a household of Africans, which we already eat meat, chicken, fish, every kind of food. No offense to vegetarians out there though, but he was like, I want to become a vegetarian. I'm gonna be a vegetarian. Okay, I was like, okay, fine. So he goes the first day. He goes the second day. On the third day, my mom. So my mom bought ice cream, right? And then he was like, can vegetarians eat ice cream? So I was like, no, they can't eat ice cream. Just to like kind of make him like not eat the food. Like, okay, I'm no more a vegetarian. I don't want to become a vegetarian anymore. I want my ice cream. So I told him like vegetarians can eat ice cream and all that. And that third day was gone. So on the fourth day, my mom cooked like an African meal. What meal was it?
Spaghetti with.
No, it wasn't spaghetti. Yeah, it was the beans. My mom cooked like beans, and then she put like was it chicken or no? It was fish. She put fish in it, sardines, and then other meat and all that. And so he goes like, okay, I'm gonna eat the food. So he ate the food, right? I didn't say nothing. I was like, I'm not gonna say nothing. When he was done, I was like, did you eat the meat that was in the food? He said, no. I removed it out of the food. I'm turning vegetarian. I removed that. So he said, I removed it out of the food. I didn't eat the food. I was like, okay. The fifth day, he said, I decided that I don't want to be vegetarian anymore. I want to eat my meat, bro. He's funny. He's always trying to like catch weight with me. I'm like, I'm older than you by 6 years. My weight might be the same as yours, but we're not gonna look the same. He doesn't understand that.
159.
Boy, I need watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yeah, I'm tired of food. Tired of the food.
This is what happens when you have so much food in front of you, like you get tired of it. Like I haven't even eaten anything.
I tried nothing, bro.
And then I'm so filled up. Like on a normal day, I would eat so much, but then I'm so filled up. Like
It was evolving. It had tentacles.
what?
Cute.
I think everybody's so filled. I think everybody's so filled and all that. Like, I'm tired. I think I'm so filled up because I was working on my camera. I was trying to fix everything so it could look perfect and all that. Come and sit down, boy. I'm trying to close my video. So I was doing everything, and we were also cooking and all that because this is our cooked food. We did not buy anything. Like my mom did the crabs. She did the chicken, both types of chicken.
And we didn't eat it.
He said, and we didn't eat it. And then she did like this boy. Like this is so delicious. I haven't had one of this though, but then I think I had it yesterday, right? Yeah, I had it yesterday. One of it.
Tastier than this.
She said she added more seasoning, so it's tastier than
It's
this.
a different species of chicken.
She said it's a different species of chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a different species of chicken. So I'm gonna try that later this evening though, because right now I am currently filled up, and you know we're not trying to like overeat so that we could do other things. And I don't know if any other countries like eat like jollof rice or fried rice, like
Africa.
not African country, but like I don't know.
Some of my friends in America here,
Okay.
they eat it.
Okay, you said some of our friends in America they eat this, because like all my friends in America
But no spice.
they don't eat this, and American food, because I was brought up in an African household, American food has no taste, or no, it does have taste, but it's not. I like spicy
For
food.
we,
Yeah, I like spicy food, and American food is a no-go. I'm sorry, like the way my mom cooks the rice, maybe because since I was little, that's how she's always been cooking it. The way she cooks her rice, her chicken, the way she seasons it, like it just has that flavor that American chicken don't have. Like if an American person, like a household American person, not African American, and they like cook like this type of food, it's not gonna be as tasty or it's not gonna be as spicy. Our food is spicy, which I like. No offense though. I don't know what he's doing.
oh boy,
But
I know you're not going here at all.
You just get one.
like
He doesn't like this.
he doesn't like anything healthy.
But
No, he doesn't like anything healthy. He doesn't like salad. He doesn't
he's an
like
African man.
he doesn't like whatever. So he's still eating. She's still eating. They're both enjoying. But I'm still up for now.
We are filled.
I might eat later on, maybe in the next 2 hours or 30 minutes. It depends. But as for now, I am filled up. And I want you guys to tell me if you like this type of videos with my family or with half of my family. Maybe kick out my 2 brothers and stay with my mom. Whatever you whatever you like, just tell me and I will do it for you guys. I'm gonna like open up my comments for you guys so we could have a discussion. And this is the end of today's video, which I really enjoyed. I had fun, a good family time. Yeah, if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your notification
Like
button.
and subscribe to that channel.
And also go check out their channels. They do gaming. He has like a lot of subscribers. He does. What's the name of your channel?
It's gonna be the link.
What's the name of your channel?
Rico Gaming.
The name of his channel is Rico Gaming. And so guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
Peace out.